All right, so we are looking at the two continuation patterns. To the far left, you have a rally based rally and your drop based drop. And then your reversal patterns on your right side, where we have a drop based rally and a rally based drop. All right, again, whenever we get a lower low or a higher low, that leads to up close candle. And whenever we get higher highs and lower highs, that leads to down close candles, right? Basically, which is retracements. When price reaches these pivot points, we get retracements in the market because the market we know moves in a zigzag fashion. So starting on the far left, we have a rally based rally, RBR. The bottom we have the lower low, right? So we're starting there. So lower low leads to an up close candle, and we go and we make the higher high. From the higher high, that leads to a down close candle, and that creates a higher low, right? So the higher low creates up close candle, takes us to the top, which creates the higher high. At the higher high, that creates a down close candle, which leads us to this drop base drop, right? The DBD. So from the high, we have the higher high, which leads us to a down close candle, which takes us to this higher low, which a higher low creates an up close candle, and it takes us to the lower high. And the lower high creates a down close candle, which takes you down to create that uh, the lower low or lower high, right? So now moving over to the drop based rally and rally based drop pattern. So starting with the drop based rally, we have the higher high that leads to down close, and then it goes to a lower low, which leads to up close, which goes to a higher low, which leads to up close, which rallies all the way, right? And then that leads us to our higher high. So now we're in our rally based drop. So a higher high leads to a down close, which led us to our lower high, which leads us to our down close. That um, drops us down from to create that rally based drop. All right, so this is something that we can take into swing points. You know, whether that's the swing high and swing low of the H1 or the H4 chart, or it can be from the swing low and swing high from the open and close of every single candle on whether the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 1 hour, whatever time frame you're watching. So just knowing that lower lows create up close candles, a higher low creates down close candle, or sorry, a higher low creates up close candle. Higher highs create down close, and lower highs create down close.